Okay, here's question 2 on the higher calculator paper. The question says 225 grams of flour are needed to make 9 cakes. Mariam wants to make 20 of these cakes. She has 475 grams of flour. Does Mariam have enough flour to make 20 cakes? And it says you must show all your workings. And one thing that I recognize about this question is there was a star next to the question number, so there's some marks for quality of written communication. So what I am going to do is I'm going to make sure that I show all my workings and show and describe what each step is involving. Now what they've said is for 9 cakes, you need 225 grams of flour. So what I need to do first of all is to work out how much I need for 1 cake. So for 1 cake I'll need 225 divided by 9. Now remember, this is a calculator paper, so I can use my calculator for any maths in this question. So let's just do that. 225 divided by 9, and that is going to give me 25. So for 1 cake you need 25 grams. Mariam wants to make 20 cakes, so for 20 cakes she'll need 25 grams for each cake, so 25 times 20. So going back to my calculator, 25 times 20, that's going to give me 500. So for 20 cakes she needs 500 grams. Go back to the question. Does Mariam have enough flour to make 20 cakes? She has 475 grams of flour. So I can answer the question now because it's going to be a no. She needs 500 grams for 25 cakes, and she only has 475 grams of flour. Okay, so I've put my answer as a sentence down at the end. No, she doesn't have enough, right? So she's not going to be able to make 20 cakes with 475 grams of flour. This is a pretty straightforward question. It's question 2 in the paper, so quite early for a question on quality of written communication. But make sure you recognize the star and break up your answer. Use the calculator and take your time, and you should be able to get full marks for this.